Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about the pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, we need to know, what is pen tool? Pen tool allows the artist to create shapes with freeform curves, and most curves found in the real world can be duplicated using the pen tool. The pen tool in Adobe Illustrator is a powerful and versatile tool that allows users to create precise and detailed paths and shapes. It is widely used by graphic designers and illustrators to create artwork, logos, and designs. With the pen tool, you can create curves, straight lines, and complex shapes. It works by placing anchor points on the canvas and connecting them with paths. And the shortcut key of the pen tool is P. Now let's see how to use this pen tool. These two tools are pen tools. One is a pen tool, and the other is a curvature tool. Let's start with the normal pen tool. After selecting the tool, just give it a click on the page, and there will be a small anchor point. Now look at the page. There is a line along with the anchor point, which is moving because I am moving my mouse. Now I am clicking on the places where I want to make a shape, and I am finishing it from where I started. After getting to the finishing point, you will see that my small line is no longer visible. That is how you can make a square shape by using the pen tool. After that, I'm making a wave. Just placing the anchor points so that I can make a wave curve. After finishing the wave, press the Enter button on your keyboard, and the anchor point will be removed automatically. Now we have our waving shape. Then go to the toolbar, point your cursor to the pen tool, and click the right button of your mouse. You will see there is another tool under the pen tool, which is called the anchor point tool. With this tool, you can handle the curves, and you can also change the shape. After that, there is another tool called the curvature tool, which works the same as the direct selection tool. It also helps to make changes to your shape. Just click on the round-shaped anchor and drag it as per your need to change the shape. I hope you guys already understand how the pen tool actually works. Still, you need lots of practice to become a pro at using pen tools. It took me 2 months to gain good control over the pen tool. It depends on people and practices. I hope you guys will take a very short time to learn if you are dedicated and practice on a daily basis. To do some example tasks. This image is of a cartoon. Now let's draw it. I hope everyone liked the video I made. I appreciate you seeing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe as well. Thank you.